and other coastal districts of Maharashtra. The IMD Mumbai Center issued an orange alert for Mumbai region and other coastal districts of Raigad, Ratnagiri and Sindhudurg, as well as Pune in western Maharashtra for today itself. A yellow alert also issued for Kolhapur, Satara, Aurangabad and Jalna district. So the rain situation is the same as far as Maharashtra is concerned. Very heavy rainfall in Mumbai continues. And that has also led to waterlogging in several areas, so a lot of inconvenience for the Aam Aadmi there across Maharashtra. Mahesh Palawat also joining us, SkyMed guest joining us live on this broadcast. Mahesh, if you could just break down for our viewers the current situation across Maharashtra, in particular Mumbai and adjoining areas, and how the situation is going to be for the coming few days as well.
Yeah, we have seen intense heavy rains between July 3rd and 5th over many parts of Mumbai and suburbs. For 3 consecutive days, the rainfall was in 3 digits and more than 200 millimeter in per day rainfall was there. And now again the intensity has increased over this last 2 to 3 days over Mumbai and suburbs and many parts of particularly Mahabaleshwar, Mathera, Sindhudurg, Ratnagiri, all these areas. And at present, a trough is persisting from South Gujarat to Kerala coast, and a cyclonic circulation is also over northeast Arabian Sea. So humid winds, very strong humid winds from Arabian Sea are feeding moisture over Mumbai and suburbs. So yesterday, Santa Cruz has recorded 97 millimeter of rain, and today also we expect heavy to very heavy rain to continue over many parts of Mumbai and suburbs, including parts of North Konkan and Goa and North Madhya Maharashtra, Nasik, Jalgaon, Malegaon, all these areas may also get heavy to very heavy rains, and these rains are expected to continue until tomorrow evening or night, and thereafter this trough will get weakened, and we expect that rain intensity will go down, but on and off rains will continue thereafter also, but heavy to very heavy rains will reduce. Yeah.
All right, so heavy to very heavy rainfall to continue in Mumbai. Also being told the reason is some sort of a cyclonic movement. But Mahesh, many thanks for joining us. Yes, we'll keep coming to you through the course of the day to give our viewers an analysis into what they can expect in the coming few hours, because several other problems also that we're looking at. All right. Several other problems, Mahesh, that we're looking at. For example, waterlogging in several parts of Maharashtra. In Mumbai, though we've seen that the traffic movement is absolutely normal. Certain bus routes, for example, have been diverted. But given the COVID situation in Maharashtra, in Mumbai, that remains extremely serious. The fact that we're expecting rains the coming few hours as well. What do you think are the kind of precautions that Mumbai should take, especially given the COVID situation? What, in your view, what is it that should be done immediately?
Yeah, unlock 2 is already on the way, and we have seen that fewer people on the road. So I advise people not to venture out. If there is no absolute necessity, then they should remain at home for at least next 24 hours. Thereafter, they can resume their day-to-day work, because they will be caught in heavy downpour or waterlogging and traffic jams. So precautions should be taken for at least next 24 hours until tomorrow evening. Thereafter, intensity will go down and people can resume their day-to-day work. So the fewer people will be better. Fewer vehicles over on the roads will be better for Mumbai, as it will lead to traffic jam and disruption in normal day-to-day life. Yeah.
All right, the city is already close to amount of monsoon rainfall it receives in July, with the half of the month still yet to go. Let's see how the situation looks like in the coming few days. Thank you, Mahesh, for joining us with that update.